If you're encountering an invalid credentials error on Depop, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your username and password. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that the caps lock key is not on. Step 2. Reset your password. If you're unsure about your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via the email associated with your account. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure that you are using the latest version of the Depop app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear out cache. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Depop's customer support. Provide them with details about your issue, and they can assist you further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid credentials error on Depop. If the problem continues, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.